Gym or calisthenics? Which one actually builds the better body? If your goal is pure muscle size, gym is faster, because progressive overload is easier with weights. But if you want athletic strength, mobility, and body control, calisthenics is insane. Now let's talk about money. Gym, monthly fees, machines, travel time. Calisthenics, mostly free, just your body and consistency. But here's where beginners get confused. They think choosing the perfect workout matters more than consistency. It doesn't, because the best physique comes from the workout you actually enjoy doing for years. If you love heavy lifting, gym. If you enjoy skills and freedom, calisthenics. Both can build an aesthetic body, but neither works if you quit after 2 weeks. Choose the one you can stay loyal to.